Hello guys, in this video I am going to take a session on Java history. So in Java history what I am going to discuss there, what exactly the requirement to introduce Java programming language by Sun Microsystems. What is the need of introducing this programming language to the market by Sun Microsystems? What exactly the background story was happened to introduce this programming language from Sun Microsystems. These details we are going to understand now. But when the first version of Java programming language was introduced to the market, and which year the first version of the Java programming language was introduced to the market there? In 1996, January 23rd. In 1996, January 23rd, the very first version of the Java programming language was introduced. In 1996, January 23rd, the very first version of the programming language, Java programming language, was introduced. Okay, it's okay. But when, on which year, or when the preparation for Java programming language was started? And which year the preparation for Java programming language, that means Java programming language was created, was started, preparation for Java programming language, and which year? That point here we have to understand clearly now. Right, sir. If you observe this particular point here, in 1991, Sun Microsystems, had a requirement. They want to prepare new programming language. By using this new programming language, they want to prepare softwares for simple electronics consumer devices. In 1991, Sun Microsystems had a requirement. They want to prepare a new programming language. By using that new programming language, they want to prepare softwares for simple electronic consumer devices. What are these electronic consumer devices now? For which electronic devices Sun Microsystems wants to prepare the softwares actually. So that electronic consumer devices, examples are which one? Cable TV switch boxes. Then after this cable TV switch boxes, maybe next one is remote controllers. So for this type of electronic devices are existed. For this type of electronic devices, they want to prepare software. To prepare these softwares, they want to use a new programming language. So they want to create a new programming language. This is what exactly the requirement of Sun Microsystems in 1991. This is the reason why Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. Clear? So as per this particular requirement, Sun Microsystems has gathered nearly 30 members as a team, and this team led by James Gosling and Patrick Nathan. James Gosling and Patrick Nathan, these are the two leads for this particular 30 members team. This 30 members team has formed as a team, and this team led by James Gosling and Patrick Nathan. Right, sir. Finally, with this 30 members team, Sun Microsystems has started a project. This project name is which one? Green project. Sun Microsystems has started a project to prepare this new programming language. The name of that project is which one? Green project. Under this green project, this 30 members team led by James Gosling and Patrick Nathan, they want to prepare a new programming language. Good. Before creating this new programming language, first of all, they want to have what exactly the nature they want to see on their new programming language. So before going to start their implementation to prepare this new programming language, before starting their work, they want to know, they want to see what exactly the features, what exactly the nature they want to see on their new programming language. Some people have concentrated mainly on three features, three qualities on this new programming language. What are the three features they want to put concentration there? First one is they want to prepare a simple programming language. Their new programming language must be a simple programming language. So what is the meaning of the simple programming language? We are going to understand very soon. And next one is which one? They want to see tight coded programming language. The second one is which one? There no tight coded programming language. First one is simple programming language, and second one is which one? Tight coded programming language. And third one is an architectural neutral programming language. Architectural neutral programming language. Overall, these are the three features that Sun Microsystems wants to see on their new programming language. Clear? What is the meaning of this simple programming language? What exactly the meaning of simple programming language? We are going to understand this point clearly now. All of you observe this one. So Sun Microsystems has given three factors to say a programming language is a simple programming language, and Sun Microsystems wants to see these three qualities, these three factors to make their programming language as a simple programming language. What are the three qualities that Sun Microsystems wants to see now? First one is they want to prepare a new programming language. It has to take less execution time. And second one is they want to provide in their new programming language, or else if you prepare any application by using this new programming language, that application has to take less memory consumption. They want to provide concentration on this memory consumption also, less memory consumption they want to see. And next one is which one? They want to go for which one there? Less power consumption. Third one is which one there? Less power consumption. So if any programming language is having these many qualities, these many features there, automatically they define that programming language as which one? A simple programming language. The first one is which one here? Sun Microsystems wants to prepare their new programming language as a simple programming language, where what is the meaning of the simple programming language? If any programming language takes less execution time, then it is called as simple programming language, and less memory consumption and less power consumption. These three qualities that some people wants to see as part of their new programming language, so they want to declare that new programming language as a simple programming language. What is the benefit here we are able to get here? So less execution time. What is the meaning of this less execution here? No, it's very clear. If it is less execution time, automatically performance will be more. If the product is taking less execution time, automatically product performance will be more. So it means that more performance here we are able to get. Less execution time in the sense more performance here we are able to get. Let's say for example, I am going to take a remote controller. Let's say for example, I am seeing one channel in my TV. In my TV, I am seeing one football match in ESPN channel, for example. Okay, at present I am seeing ESPN channel where football match is going on. Good. So I got some notice, I got some intimation from my friend there. In a Star Sports 1, a cricket match is going on. That cricket match is very good. That cricket match is going on between India and Pakistan. That match is going to be very good. Almost Pakistan were batted already. 321 runs they had already. And Indians are started their batting. Almost they came to the last over. In the last over they need to get 21 runs. Dhoni is at one side crease and might be, and some other bowler, Ishan Sharma is at other side crease now. So 1 hour, 21 runs required. That match is going on like that. My friend made a call to me. He said to me, "Hey fool, why you are seeing that football match now? Now in other channel, cricket match is going on between India and Pakistan. This is the situation exactly. Indians have to get 21 runs in the last over. Six balls are remaining. My friend, and just better to switch your channel from ESPN to Star Sports 1. He has given that kind of intimation. Then immediately I understood that. Now at present ESPN channel is going on at 70th channel, 70 channel, and my Star Sports 1 is going on at 72nd channel. Now I have taken my remote controller, just I clicked on 72 number on my remote controller there. Then I am waiting to change the channel there. I am waiting, I am going to see, I am waiting for changing the channel. Unfortunately, my TV is not taking much time. My TV is taking much time to change the channel. It is not taking less time to change the channel. It has taken much time. Just I am waiting for that. Finally, after some time, after some period of time, the channel was changed there. Then when channel was changed, when I observed this Star Sports 1, where what I observed there, instead of this cricket match last over, I am identifying that man of the match presentation I am identifying there. Understand it clearly now? So where is the problem actually? Where is the problem? The problem is with me. Am I seeing this football match is a problem with me? Is it the problem with me? No, it is not the problem with me. Then where is the problem? My problem is with my remote controller. Why the problem is with remote controller there? On time I clicked on 72, the channel number on my remote controller. When I clicked on 72 on my remote controller, it might be taken lot of time to change the channel from current channel to the target channel. It might be taken a lot of time. When it has taken a lot of time, automatically what happened there? My required service I am not getting. Definitely, customer is not satisfied about this functionality. Means that where is the problem here? No, my remote controller has taken a lot of time to change. It means that when I click on 7.2, a program is running internally inside this remote controller. That program execution time might be taken more. That means the execution time is increased more. When execution time is increased more, automatically lot of time it has taken and to change the channel. It means that its performance is down. The remote controller performance is not at all good. That's the problem here. So because of that reason, customer will not go for the same product again and again. So definitely down demand is going on for this particular remote controller here. So here the point is which one? If that execution time is more, performance will be less. If execution time is less, definitely performance will be more here. So this is what exactly the effect of less execution time. By recognizing all these points, by considering all these points, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That programming language should be simple programming language. In that simple programming language, they want to manage less execution time for their applications. If you prepare any application by using that programming language, that application is going to take less execution time. This is what exactly the meaning of which one? Less execution time and its importance. Importance in the sense, if that execution time is less, performance will be more. If the execution time is more, performance will be less. So Sun Microsystems wants to provide very good performance for their products which if you prepare on the basis of this programming language. This is the meaning of which one? Less execution time here. That's fine. Now coming to the less memory consumption. Less memory consumption. Right, the point is very clear. For example, I want to take a computer from a computer shop. I want to take a computer from computer shop. Where I went to the computer shop, I asked him, give a quotation, good quotation. I want to take a computer for the sake of my Java application development. I asked the shop person. The computer shop person has given a quotation to me, where might be hard disk this like this, and might be RAM is like this, ROM is like this, all the quotations he has given. Good, I satisfied. But where I identified clearly, RAM is a 4 GB RAM, he has given in the quotation, and the overall cost of the system is which one here? And 15,000. Like this is the cost of the overall cost of the system. 15,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Good. Okay, it's okay fine. But unfortunately what I feel, 4 GB RAM is not sufficient for my system requirement. I want to run might be 2 to 3 servers, and I want to run might be 2 to 3 databases in my system. So that 4 GB RAM is not sufficient for me. I want to have more memory. I want to take more memory. I want to manage more memory in my system there. Then immediately I ask you to the shop person, computer shop person, 4 GB RAM is not sufficient. Please increase my RAM memory from 4 GB to 8 GB. Try to specify 8 GB RAM in our quotation there. When I specified, try to include 8 GB RAM instead of this 4 GB RAM. Previously 15,000 is the cost of this total product there, total computer. But when I said 8 GB RAM, he modified the total quotation. 8 GB RAM he included there, and he has given now the cost of the product is nearly 18,000 Indian rupees. See that nearly 3,000 difference is coming there. Why 3,000 difference is coming in our overall system cost here now? I increased RAM. I increased RAM. So when I increase the RAM, that means when I increase memory device, when I increase memory, automatically cost of the product, cost of the end product is also be increased here. So the point is which one? If memory is increased more, if memory is increased, if it takes more memory, if memory is increased more, automatically cost of the end product will be increased. But when cost of the end product is increased, customers may not be felt for this particular product here. So because of that reason here, what I am telling there, some people wants to prepare a programming language. This programming language has to take lesser memory for their applications. If their applications are taking less memory, automatically cost of the end product will be reduced. When cost of the end product is reduced, automatically customers will be attracted for this product more. Because of this reason, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare their new programming language as a simple programming language. Inside this simple programming language, they want to manage their applications. They want to manage less memory consumption as part of the new programming language. Because of this reason only, less memory consumption in the sense here we are able to provide less product cost, less cost for the product. This is what exactly the meaning of which one can know, less memory consumption. That's fine. Next one is which one can know, less power consumption. Is also the factor what Sun Microsystems has specified about their new programming language and as part of their simple programming language, less power consumption. What is the meaning of this less power consumption actually? Right, sir. For example, I'll take an example. I want to take the same remote controller for example. If you want to use this remote controller here, definitely we require some batteries inside this remote controller. Some energy is required. That means some power is required. So some batteries we have to put inside this remote controller. That's fine. Battery is okay. We are going to put it. What is the cost of this batteries? No, for example, 2 batteries we require there. 2 batteries cost maybe for example 100 rupees. No. And what is the lifetime of these batteries? Can know the lifetime of these batteries maybe 6 months of time. For example, think a minute like this. So 2 batteries we required for one single remote controller. Cost of 2 batteries is 100 Indian rupees there. And lifetime of these 2 batteries are which one there? Next to 6 months of time here. It's okay, fine. For example, I'm preparing a program in my remote controller. If my program takes much hardware interaction, if my application takes much hardware interaction, if it is taking much hardware interaction, when it takes much hardware interaction, automatically power consumption is going on more. When power consumption is going on more, automatically battery lifetime will be reduced. When power consumption takes more, when power consumption is more, battery backup, that is battery lifetime is going to be reduced. When battery lifetime is reduced there, every 6 months of time we used to change the battery, but because of this more battery grind up, and we used to change our battery for the next every 3 months of time here. Automatically what happened there? Every 3 months of time we have to put some cost or not. Means that maintenance cost of this product is going to be increased. When the maintenance cost of the product is increased there, automatically customer may not feel good about our product here. So here the point is which one? If the power consumption is more maintenance cost is going on. If the power consumption is lesser, automatically lesser maintenance cost we are able to get. Less maintenance cost we are able to get for the end product. So because of this reason, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That new programming language has to take less power consumption. So these are the 3 qualities that Sun Microsystems wants to see as part of their new programming language, as part of their simple programming language nature. Guys, understand it once again, no? What exactly the meaning of simple programming language? And before that, Sun Microsystems wants to prepare a new programming language. That programming language must be a simple programming language, type-coded programming language, and architectural neutral programming language. So what is the meaning of this simple programming language? That simple programming language meaning is which one here? That programming language must take less memory, that means less execution time. That less execution time means that more performance. And that new programming language must take less memory consumption, means that less cost for the end product there. And that new programming language must take less power consumption. If it is less power consumption, then automatically less maintenance cost for the end product we are able to get. Because of this reason only, that new programming language must be which one there? No, a simple programming language. This is one factor.